Starting a business is exciting, but the first big decision you'll need to make is choosing the right company structure for your new business. Hi, my name's Adam and I'm an account specialist at Easy Digital Company. Today we'll be looking at the different types of company structures, the benefits and the disadvantages for each type of company structure, and what may be the right company structure for your new business. Let's start with the simplest option, setting up as a sole trader. Setting up as a sole trader has no complicated registration process. All you need to do is sign up online with HMRC. As a sole trader, you and your business are the same legal entity. Therefore, you benefit from all the profits of the business as well as taking on all the risk. Therefore, if your business runs into financial troubles, you may be personally liable for the debts of the company. This could mean that the creditors will be able to go for your personal assets, such as your house, your savings, or your vehicles. This structure is ideal if you are self-employed, a freelancer, or you wish to set up a business at minimal cost. Although there are downsides to setting up as a sole trader, one of which being taxes. As a sole trader, you'll pay income tax on the profits generated by the business. As the business grows, the taxes that will be paid on these profits can increase significantly. Another downside is getting outside investment. Typically, investors and banks prefer businesses with more formal structures, such as a limited company. This is why many sole traders decide to incorporate as a limited company as they grow. If you're starting a business with someone else, then a partnership might be the right choice for you. A partnership operates similarly to a sole trader, except the business is shared between two or more people. Each partner is responsible for the business, and then at the end of the period, they will share the profits as stated within the written agreement. A partnership is a good choice if you wish to share responsibilities, pool resources, or combine skills. However, just like a sole trader, partners are personally liable for the business's debts. This means that if the business goes under or faces any legal issues, the partners will be personally liable to pay any amounts due, even if you aren't one of the partners who caused the financial mistake. Disputes can be a problem, therefore it's important to have a solid partnership agreement written in place. Now let's talk about one of the most popular choices for growing businesses, a limited company. Many people hear limited company and they think of large businesses only. This is a common misconception. Even small and micro businesses can set up as an LTD and benefit from the same legal protections. One of the biggest advantages of setting up as a limited company is that it is its own separate legal entity to yourself as an individual. This means that the business itself is liable for its own debts, not you personally. Therefore, if the business defaults on any of its debts, people aren't able to go after your personal assets, such as your home or your savings. Another benefit is the tax advantages. Setting up as a limited company means that you have more control over how the profits are distributed within your company. Therefore, you can pay yourself a mixture of salary and dividends, which is more tax efficient than paying income tax. A limited company also looks more professional to investors, customers, and suppliers. Many businesses would prefer to work with a limited company as it provides them with confidence that they're dealing with a legitimate and structured business. There are some extra responsibilities required if you incorporate a limited company. These include filing annual accounts to Companies House, as well as filing corporation tax returns to HMRC. In order to submit these filings, it would require better keeping of financial records throughout the accounting period, although the benefits of setting up as a limited company far outweigh the additional admin. Transitioning from a sole trader to a limited company is also easier than you might think. If you like the idea of a partnership but want legal protection, then setting up as a limited liability partnership might be a good option. This structure combines the flexibility of a traditional partnership with the benefits of a limited liability. In an LLP, each partner's financial risk is limited to the amount of money that they've invested. Therefore, their personal assets are protected. This structure is common amongst professional services such as accountants and lawyers. However, LLPs don't have shares, which can make it more difficult for them to raise additional finance. Each partner in an LLP is self-employed, therefore the tax benefits differ to those of a limited company. Finally, if you want to scale your business on a much larger level, you may want to consider a public limited company. A PLC allows a company to sell shares on a public stock market, which makes it easier to raise significant investment. However, this does come with strict regulation and a higher administrative burden, which isn't necessary for most small companies. Most companies start out as a private limited company and transition to a public limited company when they're ready to expand. So what company structure is right for you? This depends on your goals for your business. If you're a freelancer or starting small, then you might wish to set up as a sole trader. Whereas if you plan on working with a business partner, then setting up as a partnership or an LLP may be worth considering. But if you're looking for long-term growth and to protect your personal assets, then setting up as a limited company provides you with the right balance of benefits. If you're ready to get started, Easy Digital Company will incorporate your company the easy way. We guide you through our easy to follow process to ensure that your start to your business is as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe and to drop a comment below. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in contact and we'd be more than happy to help you make the right choices for your company.